started it up, I set it to idle. I set the idle mixture. I set the ignition timing. It's sitting there idling very nicely. Got good oil flow. You can see the oil, the tubing right there going up to the rocker arm. Oil inside the line. It's really lovely. You can actually see it bubble. Does run, and it sounds good. After you get the bike painted, all right, turn it off. All right, as agreed, the engine does run. I suggest you have a battery installed. It'll make the bike a lot more dependable. The engine does run, that's what we agreed. Make sure it runs before you take it apart and get it painted and put it back together. Once you get it painted and put back together, bring it back and I'll rewire it for you. I'll do a complete wiring job. Very good, we're going to call her done.